What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I'm finally starting to breathe again and finally get back into shape and stuff. I have a upper respiratory bug and just about clear. I'm still a little stuffy, but I didn't have a fever or anything. It was just a pain in the butt. And gosh, it's been probably 11 days since I had symptoms. So hopefully this goes away. But there was some excellent news today. And I'm going to start buying more of this high yield dividend growth stock. It has excellent dividend growth. I've already emphasized this one. I really didn't pay much attention to it, buying it. I rebought it. I sold it, rebought it, and very excited to start buying it again, especially with the recent news, the recent acquisition that they did. I'll go over that, and I'll explain to you why I like these guys, and I'm buying them as soon as possible. Hopefully some dividends come in. I may just throw in $200 right into M1 Finance tomorrow. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this high yield dividend stock out right now. And that dividend stock is oneok. Hopefully I said it correct. OKE is a symbol. It's sitting at 69.06. Look at this dividend yield, 5.53%. Now it's not doing too hot against the S&P since the pandemic hit. Love it. It was right in line with the S&P in the past 5 years. And then the pandemic hit and boom. So it's still trying to recover, which is great. PE ratio of 12.68. Average volume 4.11 million. Market cap is 40.23 billion US dollars. Year range is 55.91 to 72.52. Day range is 68.64 to 70.01. Previous close is 69.62. So I'm still hacking every once in a while. So I'm still trying to wing it with this video. So let's check them out. I'm going to explain my rationales as to why I was attracted to them and why I bought them and why I'm buying more of them. So we'll check that out. So what they are and what they do. So I'm going to briefly go over their website. They're a leading midstream service provider because you need to know what you're getting yourself into. And I needed to, so this is what I read. And one of the nation's premier natural gas liquid systems connecting NGL supply in the Rocky Mountain, Mid-Continent, and Permian regions with key market centers and an extensive network of natural gas gathering, processing, storage, and transportation assets. So right here, they operate in safe, reliable, environmentally responsible, and sustainable manner. So environment is main focus. It's primary. Environmental safety and health issues continue to be a primary focus. Still trying to wing it with this bug I have. But this is one thing that I like. They maintain prudent financial strength and flexibility while growing their fee-based earnings, dividends per share, and cash flows from operators in excess of dividends paid. They manage their balance sheet and maintain investment-grade ratings. They attract, select, develop, motivate, challenge, and retain a diverse group of employees to support their strategy execution. Now, going on their map, this is the one thing that is important. I mean, this is the Midwest. They have growth projects. I mean, natural gas gathering pipelines, natural gas processing plants. So they're pretty big. And that's one thing that attracted me to them because they're in the United States and they're big. And I do like investing in the United States companies. I do not like investing in Chinese companies. I like investing in United States companies. So that's one thing that attracts me as well. I'll go over a few more things. One thing they're very clear about on their website is a 13% annual growth rate from 2000 to 2021. The market cap is big, greater than 25 years of dividend stability, greater than 5% yield, which is nice. And then the 8 consecutive years of EBITDA growth. Make sure you understand what EBITDA is and stands for. So the Fortune 500 company included in the S&P 500. So guess what? I have SPLG. Hopefully that's in it. So I mean SPLG tries to mirror the S&P 500. So that's one thing. And they're also committed to a safe and environmentally responsible operations. I'm going to go over a few more things, especially with the acquisition that was attractive. They acquired Magellan Midstream Partners. MMP was a symbol, and I owned MMP. So they're getting big. They sucked them up. They acquired them. So now you have oneok, which acquired them. So that's huge. Okay. So they're just getting bigger and stronger, and to have the money and firepower to acquire Magellan Midstream Partners. A lot of dividend investors loved MMP because it was a high yielder and the dividend growth was decent. Well, that just impresses me even more. Now, again, when Realty Income with Spirit Realty Capital with that acquisition, I was still upset. I mean, I like more competition, to be honest with you. But hey, that just shows you that they're getting bigger and more powerful. So I'm going to jump to their revenue trends and dividend history. So they've been looking really good. So I'll go over the revenue trend since 2013. 11,871. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2014, 12,195. 2015, a little bit down, 7,763. 2016, 8,920. 2017, 12,173. 2018, 12,593. 2019, 10,164. 2020, look at that huge blow. You can blame the pandemic. 8,542. 2021, 16,540. So 8,542 from 2020 to 16,540. And then in 2022, 22,386. That is a huge jump from 2016 to 2022. 2017, it was 12,173. 2022, 22,386. So with increase in revenue, a company being in demand, that attracted me to buy them. And I'll go over their dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2014. It was 59 cents. 2015, 61 cents to 62 cents. So it was a little stagnant in 2015, 2016, 62 cents. Then 2017, 75 cents. 2018, 77 cents to 80 cents to 83 cents to 86 cents. And then 2019, 86 cents. 2019, 87 cents. Then 89 cents. So you're seeing some dividend growth, which is nice. Then 2019, 92 cents. 2020, a little stagnant, 94 cents. And then in 2023, 96 cents. So their payout ratio is a little bit high. That's fine. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Dividend growth in 5 years is 1.60%. So if you bought one share, you made $382 with a 5.49% dividend yield. But beautiful news today that I saw was oneok declared a dividend hike, a 3.7 increase from the prior dividend of 95 cents. It is almost $1 per share quarterly dividend. So this is payable February 14th for shareholders of record of January 30th, ex-dividend January 29th. So I just want to show you that they're back and on the attack. So this is why I'm buying them. So I wanted to, this was new. I mean, I was going to have a video of something else, but I may combine it with this after I'm done with this video. But very exciting news. I'm going to continue to buy oneok. I'm going to be long in oneok unless something drastically happens. I can guarantee to you tomorrow that I'm going to be buying it. I already made the decision. I'm throwing 200 in oneok tomorrow and go from there. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. And again, I am very excited to get very active on this channel. Excuse me. But this is one that all of a sudden something changes and I'm pulling the finger on the trigger buying oneok. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer and happy Dividend Warrior Wednesday. Take care. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. This is my dividend investing journey. I am not a financial advisor. I am not giving financial advice. It is best to seek advice from a financial advisor or somebody certified to give financial advice. It is important when you invest that you do your due diligence. You can gain money, you can lose money. There is a risk in investing, so just be aware of that. I also have a disclaimer in my description. I will be buying oneok, and I will continue to. I have some shares of oneok, and if something drastically changes or happens, I will sell oneok. But I'm highly considering of being a buy and hold forever. Dividend stock with oneok, I really like the way it's done, and I really like the way things are going. So I just wanted to be clear with you. Take care and have a great Wednesday.